Hey guys, I'm Mikey James and I do fashion, photos, and interiors. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stick around. So in the last two videos, we played stylist for Jamie Sia, as well as PR specialist for Miss Emma Chamberlain. And I'm so happy to have been given those ideas, and I definitely see all of you pouring in from those two videos. So thank you so much. And today we're going to be playing stylist assistant to Law Roach, working with his client Zendaya. And this video idea was given to me by Triple Z, and I think it was definitely a huge challenge. I was really challenged by this. But I definitely grew up watching all of the classic Disney Channel shows and movies that are now available on Disney Plus, and I've watched Zendaya's career progress from Disney onto Marvel and onto HBO, taking on roles such as Rocky and Shake It Up, MJ in Spider-Man, and Rue in Euphoria. So I've definitely seen a range, and I understand the trajectory of her career as she's taken on more serious roles and has made a clean break from Disney and childhood fame and has moved on to success in more extensively difficult roles. With a gargantuan audience as large as Disney and Marvel, it's no wonder that she would want to look her best literally all the time. So she definitely has her secret weapon, stylist, image architect, Law Roach. Together they have created looks that have dominated best dressed lists from around the globe year after year and have honored Black style icons while doing so, simultaneously forming Zendaya into a modern day fashion powerhouse that by having her wear one of your garments could change the prospects of your brand, giving you a next level audience. It's literally crazy. At this point, it's safe to say that Zendaya is a fashion girl, having a collaboration with Tommy Hilfiger and having worn a designer roster that has truly cultivated her personal presentation. When you think of Zendaya, you're most likely drawn back to reference images of her on the red carpet, or maybe that's just me. And if that's you, go ahead and raise your hand or comment down below or something. With that being said, with the platform that Zendaya has been granted with, I would love to work alongside Law Roach for an editorial photo shoot about a story on climate change, of course shot by Meisel, one of my favorite fashion photographers that loves a good fashion story that really taps upon politics and celebrity culture and current world events. I love all of that wrapped into fashion imagery. I think it's really powerful and memorable. So just keep in mind that this would be a pure fashion story that wouldn't necessarily be for the masses. I don't think it's a secret that Zendaya can pull off intense fashion looks with a talent that surpasses the silver screen. I really truly think that she can model with her ability to understand the characters that she's portraying on set. So in this story, I imagine Zendaya wearing Alexander McQueen's fall 2009 ready-to-wear wrap dress within a divided landfill of plastic garbage with an editorial message to end single-use plastic waste. The story will continue with Zendaya wearing Iris Van Herpen's fall 2011 Couture splash body piece to represent the splashes created from the melting polar ice caps, paired with a Zuhair Murad Spring 2018 Couture sequin gown that is actually iconic, depicting the intensifying temperatures of the world we live in, contrasting off of a sun-setting Antarctic ice shelf. That particular fashion story would of course continue with a multiple page spread within Vogue Italia, featuring Law Roach's looks and some of ours in collaboration, with the most impactful image gracing the cover. So as we all know, fashion is not rocket science or finding the cure to a disease or anything like that, but it can definitely be used to bring awareness, especially with the platform as large as Zendaya's, with a message to end single-use plastic waste, which would hopefully inspire her to continue work on activism for climate change. Of course, Zendaya is a working woman. She has movies that she's in year after year. So we would eventually need to get her ready for the world premiere of Dune 2 coming to theaters in 2023. So for this event, I imagine her wearing Zuhair Murad Spring 2022 Couture with Alexander McQueen Spring 2012 ready-to-wear heels, giving a futuristic vibe for a film that's set in the year 10,191, while giving you the signature Zendaya slit dress, but still appropriate and approachable for the general public. So all in all, today's video was maybe a little quicker than our other two, but today we created 3 looks for an editorial photo shoot and movie premiere for Zendaya, working alongside her stylist, La Roche, who would hopefully be adding more looks, shoes, and accessories to what we created. And so I just want to say that like Zendaya is somebody that I could see myself being friends with. Like she seems really chill, career driven, and down to earth, and I would love to work with her, not just for her platform but for like who she is as a person, like on the inside. So just like Emma and Jamie, who we styled these last couple weeks, I think like we could create something really unique and fun together. This is also like super random, but I would love to see Zendaya in a period piece pirate movie, just like throwing that out there. Because I got really into Pirates of the Caribbean this last year because I saw it for the first time, and I think she could like definitely fit into that genre well, and I would love to style her in Alexander McQueen Spring 2003 ready to wear for those pirate looks, and I think it would be iconic. Also, I think that the entire cast of Euphoria needs to be photographed by Petra Collins. Like literally look her up. She is amazing. Like I just love her moody images, and I feel like they fit the aesthetic of Euphoria extremely well. So that collaboration literally needed to happen like 3 years ago, so they need to get on that. And if you agree with me, just let me know in the comments below. So far, our celebrity style roster includes Jamie Sia, Emma Chamberlain, and Zendaya. So let me know if you're liking these videos by hitting the like button, and comment below what celeb or influencer I should style next on this channel. This is becoming really fun. And I'm glad that so many of you are liking these videos, and definitely subscribe and stick around because I do fashion photos and interiors, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!